Hello, my name is Noah and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a photo or GIF to your message. So this is the link that takes me to contribute to the card, and I'm going to click sign only. And here I can preview the card. So if I click on the arrows, I can see all the messages that are already left on the card. So I want to leave a message. So happy for you, from Noah. And I would like to add a GIF. So I'm going to go browse our library. And there's heaps of GIFs to choose from. And if there's not one here that you like, you can also search in the search bar. And you have so many more that come up as well. So I'm going to click this one. And then I'm going to go continue and put my details in. Perfect. And agree to the terms and conditions. And then it will take me to the preview of my message. So there it is there, and that's the GIF I chose. Now, if I'm not happy with the message, I can edit message, but if I am happy, I can press complete and that will finish the process and close the loop. But I would actually like to change the GIF to a photo instead. So I'm going to go edit message and click X to get rid of the GIF. And then I'm going to not click browse our library because that's the GIF. I'm going to upload your own. So if I click that one, and this is the photo I would like to add. And then I can rotate the picture. I would like it to be in this position. As you can see, the photo is kind of big, so instead of it being down here, I can just pull and drag it down so that we get their faces in it. And I can zoom in, I can zoom out. And when I'm happy with how it looks, I'll press save. And then that's uploaded and my message is still there. I'll go continue. And there it is on the card. And then I would just press complete. And that's it. And then my receipt has been emailed to me. If you need any more help or you're struggling, you can also click this live chat button, because if you click that, then we will be able to help you. We are real humans. And you can send us a picture and we can upload it for you. We can run you through it. Anything you need. So yeah, thanks for watching.